Chalo. I'll let you make this very simple color. First draw the circle. Where do the acrylic painting, acrylic color. Okay. Make circle in the middle of the page. All of you start with me. One circle, middle of the page. Amma, you need page. So now draw here one line, curve line like this. Come on. Curve line like this. Very good. Now draw one line like this. If anybody need help, come and I help you. Okay, but try yourself first. Now the lips. Curve line one and another curve line like this. One curve line like this. Start from here. One curve line like this. Eraser. Now the next one, half circle. Like a watermelon. First a straight line and then do the curve line like this. First straight line, like U, curve line like this. Okay. Yes. Yes, better. Erase this line. Make this first one more line, the curve line like this. Now draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a drawing now. Your drawing. Take this, mix the color lemon yellow and the red. It's coming orange. Mix the color lemon yellow and red. See this here. Orange color, huh? Take a bit of lemon yellow and a bit of red. Mix with the water. This water is there, and put first here. Down dustbin. See, only color not going outside. Take a brush. After that color, brush should be put in your water. Keep it in water only, huh? First make this one orange. Make sure color not going outside. Okay. Only orange. No other colors. Not coming exactly orange. You mix it. Yellow, more, red less. Yellow is around 90%, red is 10%. That is good. Only color and then put it there like this. Don't keep both color, take from the side. Come on. And the color will be outside, huh? Make sure. Color done? Oh, yellow. Only yellow using, okay? All of you, take the yellow color, only yellow color inside. Okay, here. Make sure yellow color is a outside is a orange, inside is a yellow. Dirty fellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. What not do? Circle only. And this border only orange, okay? This border only orange. So this green color. I'll have to take the green color for the lips. Lips, okay? Leave here, there, one leaf only. Take green color only, huh? This green, only one green is there, no? If you want a dark green, then mix with the blue little bit of. For the facility for the lips, I'm using the green, a little Prussian blue. So it is coming the deep green. Green and Prussian blue, if you mixing, is coming the deep green. Okay, the deep green I'm giving the border. make this lips, this part. Green meta, green, deep green, blue and green mix. Make this color. Make the red, little bit of red color this side, which is the shadow, shading. Okay, now learn the shading. I make it a little bit dark color only this side. Okay, make the red color, and mix with the lightly and mix nicely. See, I just mix it, not spot. So one side is little darker, one side is red color. It's there only. Water mix the water is coming. No need much color. It's going damage. Take very less color. It is actually color. No, it is using very less. What? What leaves? Deep blue and deep green. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.